इतना ही अगर उनके अंदर सच्चाई थी, बढ़ चढ़ के वो वीडियो में उनकी फ्रस्ट्रेशन आप देखिए, 1 घंटा 20 मिनट का उन्होंने वीडियो बनाया, उनकी फ्रस्ट्रेशन का लेवल देखिए किस लेवल पे है वो, राइट। 24 पन्ने का उन्होंने नोट बनाया। इतना वो फ्रस्ट्रेट थे, अपनी फैमिली से, अपने परिवार से उन्होंने बात क्यों नहीं करी इस बारे में, ठीक है, उनको क्यों नहीं शेयर किया। और इतना ही वो पैसों की बात कर रहे हैं, पैसे पैसे पैसे, तो थोड़े पैसे साइकेट्रिस्ट पे, साइकोलॉजिस्ट पे खर्च कर देते।
Basically, we should not treat this issue as a men versus woman. That's totally wrong. What we have to see, when it comes to matrimonial issues, there is no difference, it's men or women. So it's hard, it's a pain for both men and women. So don't take the diversion of these particular incidents or matrimonial issues as men versus women. That's totally wrong. Into the way that how these things can be avoided or what kind of reform should be brought up, both in procedural aspect, in judicial aspects, and in criminal justice aspect. So with those aspects, we need to look into these issues rather than men versus women.
It's not the first time. There are many incidents who have committed suicide. When it comes to torture, dowry harassment, and all that. So it's a weapon for a woman.
It is used as a weapon, and also they use even kids as a weapon. Basically, you might have seen in most of the cases where even judges say that, okay, you just pay the money first and then you can see your child. So why not a right-based or shared parenting be brought in? Even in Atul's case as well, if you see that he expresses a concern wherein he has not seen his son face for 3 years. Just imagine the kind of mental trauma he has been into. So, rather than seeing this issue as men versus women, we have to see this issue in humanity. So that's why today, Save Indian Family Foundation, we have come up with some 7 points or 7 reforms which are very simple. They are not very simple reforms which can be easily implemented by state and central governments as well.